Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. An intermediate magnitude 4.0 earthquake was reported early morning near 30 kilometers southeast of Cabimas, Zulia, Venezuela. According to German Research Center for Geoscience, the quake hit on 12th April 2022 at 1 am local time at an intermediate depth of 10 kilometers. The strength of earthquake may have been tempered at its relative great depth below the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes. As small as just few data and find their calculation or as the other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by UP Mediterranean 4.6 as well. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.